Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rocked. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Hello. Welcome back. It is Tuesday, August 22nd. I do ask you smoke that like button on the way in. And also, if you will, to help the Goon Gang in the old algorithm, please subscribe as well. If you're into crypto content, whether you're watching me live or you're watching me after on replay, I appreciate you guys. And I want to say there's a lot of things going on, especially when it comes to fear. And there is fear everywhere across the board. And we're going to go right into this right now, boys. Let's go look at the market. I do want to start off primarily talking about, hey, we didn't really dip. We didn't really go up. We're pretty much where we were. We're stagnant, sideways trading, 1.05 trillion, 61% down. Not too bad. Fear did come up. We're at 34. Still a little fear in there, but not too bad. Bitcoin continues to trade sideways, 26.1, relatively the same price we were yesterday. So I'm feeling great about that. Why I say that is according to the heat map, we are looking at BTC dominance stable, solid, rock solid, right? And it's good. You know, people are happy currently where it stands. Unfortunately, I believe there is more bleeding ready to come. There so much news coming out that's just not good for crypto, and I think we got to be ready for it. And a lot of it could come in from the regulation sector as well as other forms of digital currencies that come out that compete alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum. And you guys know me, so the true goons, you know, it's plausible. Anything's plausible, Teddy. You say it, it happens. Let me check in with the chat real quick before we go look at the trending tokens part of the market segment here. We're opening up the chat. Triple G, smoke that like button indeed. SK, shout out to you, buddy. Dude, SK is doing the real work. He had, as always, got the goons some good news articles. He's like, hey, Teddy, cover these. Let me know what you think about these. And as always, I cover all the articles he sends me, and I appreciate that tenfold. F Joe Crypto, Teddy, you gotta take the profits, Teddy. Look at Pepe Max, Teddy. I still haven't taken profits. We got to go look at Pepe Max. What's going on, buddy? Nice to see you. Hey, Teddy and the goons, Coochie boy. What's going on, buddy? I'm here early. My Crypto Pie William for the first time. Are you? I'm just kidding. It's been a while. It was like, what? You missed one day. You were late. You're back on schedule. I appreciate it, buddy. And Red Sox. We got the OG himself, Red Sox. All right. So, I'm in the zoomed out view. Let's zoom in here for you guys. Teddy, I can't see your screen clearly. I need that zoom in. So trending, Bitcoin. And you see Bitcoin trending because we don't know if it's going to dip below 26K, and we don't know if it's going to go back above 27K. And the reason we don't know is all the indicators indicate that currently the oversold, right, RSI for Bitcoin is oversold, but it's still being traded by pure volume alone. And that's the beauty of Bitcoin. So we are having a strong level of support. At 26, turned resistance, support turned resistance, resistance turned support, whatever you may call it. But this is literally the fighting battle that you're seeing with Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Shiba Inu. So all the trending ones recently, even Pepe, right? We're all trending for those zeros, Teddy. I want to get to the 8, Teddy. And they really are trying to do it. SEI, shout out to you guys. You're killing it as well. Up 5%, while the rest of the market is so continuing on, crypto futures. The shorts did come up from yesterday. I think we were around 30, or come down from yesterday. We were around 30%, and now we're at 28. The longs people still bullish. I got rug. I have arrived to rug you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Nice to see you, buddy. We are just talking about the market, what's going on, and really what people are looking at. And I do want to shout out to Coochie Boy, who has been killing it with BLZ, shorting it, long it. He throws a freaking penny in there. He's pulling out dollars, boys. I ain't even kidding you. You got to see in these chats. If you guys are interested, message me on Telegram at TEDIGANJA. I will reply back. Make sure you are messaging me. It's my same name everywhere. I think almost everywhere except Instagram. Now I made a crypto one. People are like, Teddy, you never post on Instagram. We need to post on Instagram. I'm like, I'm working on it. I'm working on it. So yeah, crypto futures fairly okay. Bitcoin, Ethereum shorts are still diminished. I think it was 32 yesterday. Now we're at 30. So it seems like people are still pretty positive about the market for the long term. And, we're going to talk about that as well, because not all traders that are positive for the long term are as lucky. And we'll see why. So that's it for the market. We're going to go right on over to the news, and we got to start off with exactly what this stream is about, which is BNB, right? Binance on a path to be the next FTX. We literally been hearing this everywhere. Binance on the path. Teddy, it's gonna happen. Will you mark my words, Teddy? And one of the reasons, and this article was great. I'm not sure who actually wrote it. Was on TradingView. But one of the key highlights, main takeaways is they highlight that one of the analysts, Sunny Decree here, had given BNB, given the 32 billion market cap, it's equivalent to 1.2 million BTC that Binance holds. Well, if BNB's value drops, Binance has to liquidate Bitcoin to support BNB's price. This strategy only works for so long till it fails. So we could see a situation remnant of FTX. So this was said by Sunny Decree. And immediately after that, there was this guy, Mike Alfred, who basically said the same thing. As BNB goes, so goes Binance, and BNB looks sick. BUSD, for those of you guys, stable BUSD, which is USDT, their equivalent for their chain. He goes, it's already dead in the water. If BNB breaks under 200, this is going to quickly collapse. And this is the point that we need to understand. These guys are out here. They could be fudding, or they could be telling us, open your eyes, look at what's happening. And they're one of the guys in the forefront telling us that, hey, this is a true possibility. Don't be so oblivious. And what is going to happen when when BNB dips below 200? It may happen. It may recover. We have been in a situation where BNB has been below 200. We've literally seen BNB as low in this last 3 years, as low as $22, guys, right? So regardless of all this FUD, retracement back, we really haven't retraced that much. The main retracement for BNB, even from where it currently was at for all-time high to where it is now, is maybe 70%. We haven't truly retraced at all compared to some of the other altcoins, which these guys even touch on. So one of the main things that I take away from this is something is going on at Binance that is of concern, and we probably need to look at what's happening with that Bitcoin liquidation as the price goes down, because this model can only work for so long. And right now they are hugging 215. And I'm interested to see what's going to happen after this, because Binance will dump fast after it breaks 200. Absolutely. Crypto DJ, XRP. Let's go. What's going on, Crypto DJ? Nice to see you, buddy. What up, Teddy? I want to learn to short. Oh, man. Dude, it's easy to learn to short. FGO Crypto, reach out to me on Telegram. We have an entire channel for futures. You can talk to the futures gods themselves. We got SK, we got Coochie Boy, we got Mark Nobi. We have so many guys. Crypto Venezuela. We have so many guys. Like, we're literally building a community of goons. And it's not just the 13 of us. By the way, 13 goons in the house. Please smoke that like button. Make sure you smoke it real good. And we want to make sure you're enjoying yourself here. What's going on with you, Crypto DJ? Nice to see you, buddy. We're talking about BNB and really the fear that we're going to be in an FTX situation again, because they're basically insinuating that there's not enough. I don't want to say reserves. I'd say it's more like backing for their BNB token. And if that liquidation comes in the form of Bitcoin, which is slow sells, not um, immediate sells, that's basically what we're looking at. And this is the thing right here. The asset retreated less than 70% compared to DeFi coins that normally go 90%. This is complete BS, guys. You guys know, you're in the degen space. All coins retreat 90% in DeFi. Like, it's very rare you're in a situation that's going to be another Ethereum or another Bitcoin or another Shiba or Pepe, Doge, whatever you want to say. It's very rare. Most of the time, coins have their all-time high, they go stagnant, and you're basically trading on those flat lines to make money. And if you don't believe me, then you haven't been in the space long enough, I would say. So yeah, that was pretty much what I want to say regarding the BNB scare, the Binance scare. Hey, this is going to be the next FTX. It's not even the 200, doesn't even concern me. I know many people are pushing, oh, if it goes under if it goes under 200, let it go under 200. We've been under 200 before. It should bounce back. If there is some failure, that failure would have to be coming from one, CZ must have lied to us in some way, shape, or form, which has given us the prospect that, hey, maybe the reserves aren't there, maybe the money isn't there, and that's one of the reasons Binance collapsed. Other than that, in my eyes, the price action going down is just like crypto.com. The price action retreated. It's okay. You'll survive. Welcome to the club. This is what happens. So yeah, that was pretty much what I want to talk about there. So I also touched on this a little bit earlier. Bitcoin looks oversold since COVID crash, right? And really what it comes down to is RSI. The RSI for Bitcoin did fall below 30. And as you guys know, anytime the RSI falls close, I would say below 30 or above 70. Below 30 means oversold, above 70 means overbought, right? So usually what strategists do, especially when doing crypto investing, is they look at the RSI indicator, they look at the current value, and if it's under 30, they buy. That's a buy signal to them. But that shouldn't be the only indicator that you use to make that decision. So in the end, Bitcoin entered the oversold area, but it's still trading around 26K, and we got to figure out why that is and what that could mean. So we'll talk about Bitcoin during the chart segment, but yes, we are oversold. Sad day, sad day. XRP basically went through this article already. Guys, this is plausible. XRP could dip more past under 52 cents. We could go see 49, 48, 47 as well. The whole market as a whole has a bearish trend. These guys in this article try to break it down with RSI, MACD. I've gone through all of it. Every single indicator we have in the triple G indicator, it's also showing the same resistance, same support zone. So in the end, I do agree with what they're insinuating, which is there does appear that there's a decline coming as shown by the XRP chart as well, which basically is following all the other charts of Ethereum and Bitcoin. The other fun article that SK pointed out was the Ethereum price, suggesting that 1700 and below, as soon as it hits, is where people are selling off, and that's where we're trying to see the price get up to. So resistance at 17,000, and we're basically under 17,000 right now. So I do believe there is a strong pullback that has happened, and now we're just looking for that upward trend from that pullback, hopefully from the support. So let's see, guys. I'm still very hesitant to say uh, 1700 is achievable. I do believe there is a lot of selling pressure that is continuing to happen and people just getting in. Once this fizzles out, I do believe we are going to go neutral and slowly down as we go sideways into a crab market there. Let me see here. Been going on. Will do. I bet Sam and Fam are gunning for CZ. Sam and Fam, what, keeping my dry powder ready? Oh my god, oh my god. You're what are you insinuating here, Crypto Degen? That Sam Bankman is somehow gonna bring CZ into his case, and that's where all this failures are coming from, dude. That's a whole different conspiracy on its own. You're blowing my mind. You're blowing my mind. So guys, I do want to talk about digital IDs. Don't leave. Don't leave. Digital IDs. I'm not talking WorldCoin. China is working with these guys called ITU, International Telecommunication Union, in order to figure out how they can spy on you proper. I'm sorry, on how they can track you. What is the right word here? On how they can make sure you're using the metaverse for the right reasons. And that what that comes in is digital IDs. And the reason I say that is we know all about WorldCoin, right? Sam Altman's WorldCoin. WorldCoin, Teddy, it's the next greatest thing. You scan your eye, and it's gonna be like amazing because we don't keep your data, and that data is held in a safe vault that's encrypted and no one's going to access it. And trust me on this, we will know when it's really you making a payment in the metaverse. You got to use WorldCoin everywhere, Teddy. Tell the masses, tell the masses. But guess what? China did not get the memo. They go, no, we going to use ITU solutions. So ITU is going to come up with a solution that basically gives every user a digital ID for their metaverses, so the Chinese government to openly spy on metaverse. Oh, they actually say openly spy. Okay, so okay, don't come after me, China. It's in the article. All right. I actually already knew that was in there. I just was trying to be funny. All right. So anyway, continuing on, we talked about this. Don't go chasing the bear. Don't go chasing the dragon. Stay away from chasing the dragon. And what is the dragon? The dragon is the chase itself. The chase to Teddy. If I just do one more trade, and I'm gonna make it all back, because this is the one where it's the candle's gonna. It's not gonna happen. This guy, Andrew Kang, guys, he lost 432,000 in 18 trades at up to 100x leverage. So this guy literally co-founder of the crypto focused venture capital from Mechanism Capital, lost over 430,000, guys. Some random dudes trust this guy, 430,000 down the drain. Liquidating long positions at 100x. Who the hell is doing 100x long positions at around this time? You know what? I guarantee you he's a dum-dum. He go look at the future is like, oh yeah, everyone's feeling bullish, BTC long. Oh yeah, Bitcoin week. I gotta go long. And guess what? He got wrecked. So don't be like him. Don't go chasing the dragon. Don't try to be the hero in the family. If you lose one day, save some money for the next day. It is completely okay. And unless you're made of money, I think this is not for us. So continuing on here, Shibarium, it's coming back, Teddy. Oh, we had some bad things, but now we're gonna make it all right. Unfortunately, I don't think it's enough. I'm just at the point. Layer 2 blockchains are overmade, oversold, overdone, and there's no need for them. At some point, Ethereum does have an upgrade coming, which is gonna make blockchain as a whole, their whole blockchain gas fees lessen. I forget the actual update, what it's called, Star or something, potentially. I can't recall, but it is something that's in the pipeline for the Ethereum chain to be upgraded to get the gas fees less. So I'm sorry, Shibarium guys. I'm sorry, Shiba Inu guys. You can hold on to this all you want. They can fix the ecosystem all they want, but you're still competing with TPS, transactions per second. You're still competing with Base. You're still competing with every other blockchain out there. It's going to be hard to stand apart, but you have done it where the meme has turned into a utility, but still not completely functional as it's still not public. So we'll see. We'll see what happens as adoption comes in. Teddy, WagMe NFTs worth nothing. When reward, bro? We got to go check out WagMe NFTs later. I haven't even checked in forever. So I wanted to bring this up. This is another fun one that ended up happening. Basically, there's a protocol that BNB has, Venus BNB, and a hacker got into it, and he somehow acquired VBNB and held on to a majority of them. But what ended up happening is in this exploit, if the price of BNB goes down, you can lose the number of assets that you have, and you lose it. So I guess that's exactly what happened. And this hacker lost 30 million because it was liquidated uh, by VBNB. So 6.89 million VBNB liquidated, turns it into 30 million USDT, which was paid back to the BNB bridge. So sucks for the hacker, great for the bridge. But I'm sure he still has a lot more money. Yeah. Soon after, an additional 53.2 million worth of collateral from the same wallet was liquidated. Oh, dang, these guys making mad money. Oh, no, this was earlier. Yeah. So Venus Protocol is a lending platform. And they found an exploit to do it, but unfortunately that exploit also has repercussions, which is it can also be sold back and given back as well as the price goes down. Do you see Base as a real player? I do see Base as a real player, because Coinbase is publicly traded, and I do believe having that publicly traded, you know, openness to the company could give them what they need um, in order to push their blockchain over another. But the problem is there's always going to be a need for Ethereum. So can they outcompete Ethereum? No. I think Ethereum holds the dominance there. How to add internet computer to MetaMask? For those of you guys that know, you guys can use the plug. There's a wallet for internet computer. Internet computer, it's its own blockchain, so you do need to add the mainnet to MetaMask to use it. This seemed to be the Watcher Guru article today. So SK is like, hey Teddy, let them know. So it is possible to add it in MetaMask. You can find out how to do it as well. But just, pretty easy. You got the RPC URL, the chain ID, and it should pop up in MetaMask. If not, you can use the plug wallet and you'll be very happy with what you've seen there. So that's pretty much it for the news today. So we get to move on here to the chats, Teddy, the chats. You need to tell me about the chats. It's not looking good across the board. I'm sorry. These are fake green pumps. I swear. Don't believe me, but do believe me. So 26K, that's pretty much where we've been trading sideways. We did dip below 25 to close out 25.8. And I'm now at the point that I do believe there's more room to go down. And the reason that comes in is I keep, I don't even know how to put it into words. What's happening is we're in a state where countries are telling us they're in recession. We're in states where people are trying to devalue or de-escalate the dominance that the US dollar has. And now we're at the point that people are just like, hey, there's no need for any need for the US dollar. We can go make our own uh digital currency, have backing to it, and it's going to be worth X amount of dollars, which is what is bricks, right? Bricks, that's exactly what they're doing, and coming up with the number to back their currency so they can have a competitive. They'll be the Ethereum while US dollar could be the Bitcoin, right? So they're literally trying to find some way to enter this market to help their countries out, which I don't blame them. Their countries are in need as well, and they have funds and they feel they can compete. Hey, let's go for it. Digital currency is the way to go. But why I say this is, regardless of the path BRICS goes, regardless of the path the US dollar goes, we know the banks is what controls um, the masses, right? And what's happening with these banks is they're failing. We have seen banks say, hey, this is it. We're not getting enough money in for the loans we've given out. We're defaulting ourselves. We need to declare bankruptcy as a bank. What happens in most cases, the countries come in, they bail them out. But when you have multiple countries doing this at the same time and governments can't keep bailing them out because the governments themselves don't have money, that is where the problem comes in, right? You have banks in China, you have banks in the US, you have banks in Russia, you have banks everywhere. Everywhere there are banks. But if you have a system that is failing across the board, then at some point you would think, hey, that's going to reflect on the market. And why I say this is we are still in a bearish we're in a bear market. We're in a bear market. There is nothing new coming in that is positive for crypto as of right now. We need mass adoption. We need people to pick up crypto and say, hey, let's get in. But unfortunately, none of the news has been positive lately. The nice upswing we had, we retraced right back to where we were prior. And we could have more room to bleed. We bled from this area before, right? We thought, hey, this is it, 26667, right? This is going to be our support. And then boom, 2 days, 3 days, we went all the way down 22K. What we thought was not feasible was doable. And that's what I'm trying to tell you. This is plausible. Bitcoin can go down more. There's nothing positive coming in here, guys. Germany, not all the charts are bad. Not all the charts are bad. There is positive sentiment, but I am letting you know most of the charts are going to follow what Bitcoin does. And currently, all the indicators, even the triple G indicators, show very strong bullish trends as well. But the HARSI is showing real good. So Germany minister was surprised using the UPI payment in India in person. He said it's the simplest way to make a quick payment. Many countries have started wanting to use UPI payment. Wait, UPI payment? UPI payment. You've heard of that for like NRI, non-resident India, residential unified payments interface, instant payment system, developed by India. Oh, sorry, developed by India by the National Payments Corporation of India. The interface facilitates interbank peer-to-peer person to merchant transactions. It is used on mobile devices to instantly transfer funds between two bank accounts. Yes, we have UPI between banks that if the banks are in there, you can quickly transfer. This is a true thing that many people offer. That is definitely true, and it's very quick. Also, India has started the pilot digital currency project. India had said it was going to start a CBDC project, so I guess it finally did start the CBDC project. So SK is in India, and shout out to SK, guys. I got some positive feedback. Do go check out SK's channel, My Travel. Yeah, he is posting blogs and blogs about his travels, and they are awesome. I got to witness them firsthand, and not real time, but he made the video and he sent it to me, and I was like, dude, this is awesome content. I was quite impressed with the video quality itself, as well as the music and editing. It was a nice scenic drive and felt like I was literally there. So I was quite impressed, and definitely shout out to SK there. He does a lot for this channel. So yes, UPI is definitely something. But guys, going back to this, just be ready. Just be ready. It is plausible. It is very well plausible. I'm just seeing it from my standpoint, and I don't want any of the goons to make any decisions without being informed. And this is the reality of it. The overall government, of all governments, regardless of country, are having issues with payments, with banks getting payments back. Not everyone is in the same spot as you. People are struggling out there. And we can see that in the market. It may not be shown in all charts, but it is something that is plausible and that can happen to Bitcoin. So that's pretty much what's happening with Bitcoin. We have retraced. We're going to be around this 26K mark. I do believe it's going to retrace more. The indicators just forming in now, and we'll see what happens there. Let me go on to Ethereum. Also retraced, leveling out 1637. I do agree. 17,000 being a level of resistance. I put it at 1693. I do believe it's still a downward trend. I'm not seeing positive sentiment come in. If anything, the bands got wider on the Andean oscillator and even the HARSI, which has touched oversold territory before, bounced back up, right? Oversold, right? We touched oversold, bounced back up, and then quickly dropped again. So I'm not too worried. I have seen HARSI go pretty much sideways from points, but it is a strong indicator of being in the oversold, and people are saying, hey, this could be a bull trap as well. So be careful what you're doing. At Red Sox, when money out making money, when money out making money. What does that mean? Gold Magic Up. Nice to see you, buddy. Always a pleasure. I love it. Triple G's. Guys, 14 goons in the house. Make sure you smoke that like button real good. We're talking about charts. If you guys missed it, we got into nice detail about what's going on with BNB. And just looked at the overall market, 1.05 trillion market cap. We're pretty much stagnant. We got to see what's going to happen. Unfortunately, I do believe a dip is plausible. So when it comes to BNB, I originally had 220 as a level of support. I thought it was doing great. It dipped below. My next level of support really comes in at 184. I'm looking for consolidation here. Unfortunately, I'm not seeing it as much. I'm hoping that it's not true and there is actual reserves and backing, and they don't need to sell too much, and BNB will bounce back up. But there's a lot of people telling me BNB is going to fail, CZ's doing weird stuff, and be ready that there is a pullback that happens more for BNB, and the FUD comes in. Oh, the next FTX, but unfortunately, it all depends on whether their model is sustainable or not when there's market pressure. And we've had market pressure on BNB before at different segments, but it still continues to hold. So I wonder where that money's coming in from and if that money is real, which is the question here. And we'll find out shortly. All of this is going to come together all the way, BNB fire sale, 213. Yeah, but it's been in fire sale for quite some time under 220, right? And it still continued to dip. So I'm seeing if this consolidates. I'm not sure if there's going to be a reversal anytime soon. I did see the RSI push up a little, but still in that oversold territory, so we're keeping an eye on it. I am going to switch over to XRP here because we are leveling out here. 51 cents is where I threw the level of support. We're continuing to go sideways at this level of support. You are closing out above 51 almost daily. We're going to see if this trend goes up, but as we read in the news, unfortunately, there's no good indicators indicating a positive movement up. There's no, unless a judge comes in and gives us positive news. Right now, we're pretty much going back to sideways but slow bleed, which is what I believe is going to happen. So 44 does seem achievable right now, and 56 still being resistance. Going to Shiba next here, guys. 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 zeros, 8. We're looking not so good. Continues to deplete. Even with the Shibarium working, I don't think will be enough to pump this back up. I'm just being realistic. I'm not funding anybody's bag. Doge, same way. We're going sideways alongside the market as well as Pepe. And people are showing me that there's a lot of positive sentiment to keep the price of Pepe above 1,501. So I'm just as hopeful as them. I mean, as of right now, you got a 8x Pepe to get to Shiba Inu's price. So let's see what happens. Crow, Red Sox is in here. Yep, Red Sox. All right, so we'll talk about Crow. Crow also doing fairly bad, going sideways. Nothing new. The Indian oscillator bands widened, if anything. I'm not seeing any sign of reversal. No small green candles insinuating a long position coming in or a buy signal. It all seems to still continue to show bearish trends. Money is leaving. Money is not coming in. So let me see. That is it for charts. We're gonna move on here to what's new. What's new? What's new? What's new? Teddy, what's new? I did take a look at SK's deck screener he sent me, which basically looks at the new pairs. He has gone through and given me a filter that will help identify some interesting ones. So this is Shiabu. Shiabu. Let's look at Shiabu here. Do. All right, so Shiabu is going fairly up. Whoa, this is guys. This is straight degen. So this is the degenerate portion of the stream where we're just looking at tokens that have just minted. Just to see what's going on. Lucky Girl Syndrome, Chinese Instagram, something. 7 minutes ago. Dude, look at this thing. It's trading like anything. Is this real? What is the liquidity? 13K, market cap 30K? I don't know about this. 5 issues. What are the 5 issues? Buy tax 3%, sell tax 3%, has blacklist, tax modifiable, ownership renounced, unknown. Oh man. Oh, people are buying in. Oh, we got souls coming in. Let's see. So this is an interesting. I wish they would have the website and stuff, but I think these don't have it. Yeah, nothing on token sniffer. It's not verified yet. Oh, big sell. Oh, thank God. This is straight degenerate trading right now. Unless you know something about this token. Oh, do I like this view better? I don't know. It is cool though. Right? Yeah, we'll stay to the right. I basically take up the ad space. Okay, phew. I'm just making sure the layout is okay for deck screener. I'm sorry. A lot of buys coming in. We got the buys coming in, Teddy. It's always the same wallet. Why is it always two cells every time? I don't like that. Why is there always 2 cells? 2 buys. Yo, this token's doing pretty good, man. Love. All right, go back. All right, let's see. Oh my God, there's already all these new ones. So 9 minutes, 130 buys. This thing is looking pretty good. 32K in volume already. This looks pretty positive. Love. How do I actually bookmark this? I think there's a way, right? Let me see. Teddy, how do you bookmark, Teddy? I'll show you how. Teddy, I'll show you how. I totally forget how. I'm sorry. I will find out and I will do it next time. Next time on the weakest link. Teddy, goodbye. Add to watch list on right panel. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Add to watch list. There we go. Main watch list. Manage my list. Wait, we're gonna make degen list. Degen list. Watch list. Degen list. Okay, so now it's on my watch list. Now, how do I get back to my... Okay, now I clicked watch list. Hey. Hey. What is this? Refresh. I lost my watch list. Well, it says it's added. Oh, wait. Maybe I'm not on the right watch list. I need to change my watch list to degen list. Whew. We're good. We're good. Thank God. All right, let's go find other ones. Dun, dun, dun. All right, AI robot 3 minutes ago. I see a lot of AI ones. Yeah, so I definitely like that one. Let me see what else. Volume wise, 3 points of hyperbot. Yes, I got it. Thank you, SK. I added it. We will keep track of this one because the volume alone is a lot. I want to see what ends up happening with it. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. I'm sorry. It's my first time. First time. Baby Doge, FRG, Fergal. Fergal? Not feeling Fergal. 59 minutes. Oh, man. So, oh, yeah, that's right. Once it reaches 59, they drop off. We got the SK filter here. 88K in liquidity, though. 87K. 28K in volume. This looks promising as well. 0x Racer Alt. Oh, wow. Another all-time high. Daddy, we just keep making all-time high over all-time high. We are the next greatest thing since sliced bread. Who says that? I think Rodney says that. It's the next greatest thing since sliced bread. Yes, Rodney. I agree. I'm going to add this to watch list too. Let's keep track. Let's see where this ends up going. Maybe I should put. All right. So let's say we enter this. This is paper trading. Doesn't mean you follow me, guys. Well, I haven't even researched this token. So I'm going to say we entered there. And that will be a green. All right. And this is on my watch list. Let me go back to. Is there a way to get to watch list from here? No. All right. Go back here. Love. We're going to enter a green in here too. Oh, wait. Not this one. Horizontal line. All right. We got in here. And we are green. Okay. So we're in both positions. Let's see what ends up happening here with the paper trade in. Can you check SHIA? Okay. Let me see. SHIA. Shiabo? This one? I didn't see that many. That's why. Or is this actually on Dex Tools? Shia. I think this one. Age 4 hours ago. Oh, wow. All-time high at 15 cents, dude. What's the market cap? 1.56 billion. Get the hell out of here. 2.5 million liquidity, though. Oh my God. I don't know if I believe these numbers. That market cap way too high. Yo to the Teddy Goon Pirates, Teddy Goon Gang. Bro, what's going on here? 17 goons in the house. My microphone keeps falling on me. I'm going to have to buy a new freaking microphone stand. God dang it. It's like, no. Teddy, you're done. Goodbye, microphone. I'm going to have to hold this up. What is happening right now? Why? Don't you like me, microphone? Don't you want to stay up? Stay up. Is this what people say to their never mind? Oh God. All right. I cracked myself up, I swear. I don't need anybody. I just need myself. Put me in a room by myself. I'll have the greatest time with myself. So yeah, SHIA looking pretty good. I don't like that the market cap is so high though. That's the only thing, because there's only so many X's you can do once you're at this market cap, right? But liquidity looking real strong. NW, are you in ICP chain? Yeah, man, we got in. No, I'm just kidding. We didn't. We figured out how to add it to MetaMask if needed, though. Pepe Max. Oh, yeah, let's go check out Pepe Max. Pepe Max. I think this is the one. Oh, yep. Dude, what is the market cap right now? 118K market cap. Oh man, we gotta think we got to take some profits here, boys. Let's see. Let me quickly connect my. Wait. Let me see here. Oh, my wallet is already connected. I don't know what my Pepe Max bag is worth. How's my WorldCoin bag doing? Let's say. Did you make it all back, Teddy? Nope. 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 It was never meant to happen, boys. It was never meant to happen. Continuing to hold 2.41 trillion, Teddy. How much is that worth? Oh my god, 0.4. Oh wow. Whoa. Gotta pull out my initials. Pull out my initial. And some profit. Maybe 0.14. What do you think? 0.14? And what is the I don't even know what the slippage is on this. I'm gonna do 6. All right, let's see. Can we get 0.14? Actually, 0.15. All right, we're pulling out $244. Wish me luck. Oh, incorrect password. What the hell? You trying to make this difficult? You trying to make this difficult on me right now? You trying to make this? All right, let's see. Pepper Max. Yeah, enable spending. I already enabled the spending at that. Yeah. Yeah. It came down a little. Yeah, it did come down a little, but I'm just taking my initials out. I should be good. In hindsight, I should have sold them all. ICP, I got a airdrop from them in 2021 for signing up for their newsletter. So yeah, I threw them all. Oh wow. I threw them all onto NN staking for 8 years. What the heck? So you still have ICP then? Oh, you should have sold them all back when it was high. Yeah. Understandable, buddy. I'm sorry, buddy. Swap success. Okay, I have my initials back. We can go degen into something else and let my Pepe Moonbag ride. We have $385 in the degen wallet, boys. Let's go. We're going to make it all back, Teddy. We're going to make it back. I got 200 for free. Oh, wow. You got 200 ICP tokens for free? Dude, that's pretty good. And by the way, Goon Time, guys, if you need me to look at any charts, you want feedback on anything, this is your time. Shout it out now. I will go bring up the chats. We can look at the triple G indicator, see how well your plays are doing. Any second guesses, no wrong answers. Literally, actually, some wrong answers. If I can't find your token or whatever you need, I'm sorry. But yeah, this is your time. Do let me know in the chat you want me to look at anything. Otherwise, I think it's Dex Tools time real quick to see if anything is popping up over there. In the almost everything is down. Oh wow. Bitcoin, yeah, retraced down 14%. Reflex. That each short played out amazing yesterday. What's the signal saying? Dude, I had a feeling it did too. I went to bed and I'm like, dude, I wonder what ended up happening with NW and that each short. I looked at the price. I'm like 1675 or whatever you were telling us. I'm like, wait a second. It's never going to see that ever again. It's continuing to so short and it's widening. So you have some time, bro. This has widened quite some time. You have to look for the next steep decline, which usually takes a bit. It's still showing signs of growing wider, so we'll see. I'm back in. Yeah, at 6 at where what was the price you got back in? Anything good? Yeah, it's still showing a short, so let's see. And not financial advice. I'm just reiterating what these indicators are showing to help a goon a friend out. So yeah, looking very good now. Oh, you just got in now, 1634. I mean, 1634, we just hit the first all-time low of the day. Not a bad sign, but definitely nothing is showing green or buy sentiment as of right now. It continues to show a bearish signal. So I think you could be okay. Let's see. Stop level. Oh, you do your stop loss at entry? Okay, 1636. Okay, so every time. That's smart. That's smart. You lose less money that way or no money that way. Yeah. It's pretty good. Let's see. Is anyone entering a freaking position in Bitcoin now? Look at this candle, dude. Is that a doji candle, Teddy? Is that Foreman? No, bro. No. Is that an inverse hammer? No, Teddy, that's an inverse hangman. Come on now. Bro, it's whatever candle you freaking see it, you want it to be. By the way, 17 goons in the house. Welcome. If this is your first time here, we stream every day, Monday through Thursday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Come stop by, watch us. We have fun around here, and we hope that you do too. What happened to Shinja? Is there a way to recover? Can you explain about Cliff's bad action? So Mohan, I cannot speak too much on it, but what has happened is Shibnobi was turned over to the community, and it is ran by Miss Stone, who is the current CEO. I do believe there are plans to continue Shibnobi. You can still join the community and find out what's happening. But the bad action regarding Cliff, I'm not too sure on, as I got let go in Feb. So since February, I haven't had any communication regarding that matter with Cliff or anyone. So unfortunately, I can't share any insight there. But when it comes to Shibnobi and Shinja, there is movement there, and it does sound like the community is coming together to move that token with utilities. But that's as far as I know. So I'm hoping there are things happening there, Mohan. So I tried setting limit orders on Binance for ETH at 4p. What does that mean at 4p? Limit orders on Ethereum at 4 p.m. Don't tug on my rug. What the heck? My crypto wait, what time is it? Oh my god, we are killing it right now. You make buying and selling on Uniswap look so easy. What's your strategy? I get in like days ago and I sell days later. Like I'm a very long-term holder, 400, but it won't let me. Says too low. I'm trying to set limit order on Binance. Okay, yes. For Ethereum at 400. So your limit order is set as 400, but it says too low. So you have to leave some money for their fees, right? That's probably why. Oh, no, that was Uniswap. But the reason I did that is I updated my browser on Chrome and I updated the MetaMask plugin because SK sent me an article and it's like, you need to update your MetaMask plugin. There's some exploiter hack happening. And I'm like, damn it, I should do it. And then boom, Uniswap started working. All I had to do was like it says enter the value of tokens you want to approve or something. I pressed max and that was it. It started working, but only on Google Chrome. Yes. So guys, that is it for today. I will see you again tomorrow, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. 16 goons in the house. Make sure you smoke that like button on your way out. It does help the channel out. I appreciate you all. Please, please, please don't do anything drastic. Don't do anything crazy. Don't get rug pulled. And most importantly, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get rug pulled. Yeah. 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 Get informed, get informed, get informed.